Hello Tigers, welcome to Math Today. We're going to talk about regrouping when you have to regroup in the tens and in the hundreds all in the same problem and what that looks like today. So let's come up with a number here. I'm going to write the number 372 plus 438. So I'm going to draw this one out for us so that we can see. And by the way, you can always grab scrap paper and use base 10 blocks to solve. So 3 hundreds, 7 tens, and 2 ones. And we're adding that with 4 hundreds, 3 tens, and 8 ones. Okay, so there we go. That's what our problem looks like with base 10 blocks. So I'm going to look back at our ones place right here, and 8 plus 2 equals, I hope you're all thinking 10, right? So what we're really doing is we're taking these 10 ones, because I can't write 10 here, and we're bringing it over here, and I'm going to add an extra 10 now. Okay? When I make 10, the 0 goes in the ones, because the 0 is in the ones, and the 1 moves to the tens place. So now I've regrouped. Now we're going to add here, and my eyes are like boop, 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 because what did I tell you in September? You needed to know what? The key to life, making 10, right? So I'm noticing 7 and 3 is 10 right away. However, I have that extra one, so I don't have 10, I have 11. So I'm going to take 10 of them, bring that over here. 10 tens equals 100. So I have an extra 100 now. So I'm going to put my 1 from the number 11 here and regroup again. Now I'm going to add these up. 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 plus 4 is 8. So 810 is my answer. Okay? All right, let's do another one. I'm going to switch colors here so your eyes go to a different color. And this time, I'm going to make the problem say 468 plus 274. I'm not going to draw this problem out. I'm just going to solve it column by column. So remember, we're always starting in our ones. What I am going to do for you, though, is I'm going to do this. You know how sometimes we do this, and help you to see it this way too, okay? So now I'm ready to add in my ones place. 8 plus 4 equals 12. So I'm going to put the 2 here and regroup the 1. Now I'm looking at my problem. 1 plus 6 is 7. And now I have a doubles fact, 7 plus 7, which equals 14. So the 4 goes here, and I regroup again. Now I'm going to add 1 plus 4 is 5, and 2 more is 7. So my answer, my sum is 742. Okay? All right. Go grab a piece of paper. Push pause if you need to. Got your paper? Here we go. Write this problem down, please. 374 plus 339. If it helps you, draw your columns. If you don't need them, you don't have to draw them. Starting in our ones, 4 plus 9. Remember, when we add 9, it's like adding 10, but 1 less. So it's 13. So 3 goes here in the ones place, and we regroup that 110. Again, power of 10, 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 1 more is 11. Regroup here. And now I'm automatically, 3 and 3 is 6. I see that doubles fact. Add 1 more is 7. If you started here and said 1 plus 3 is 4, add 3 is 7, that's okay too. As long as you remember to add them all. Okay? All right, let me do one more, because one thing I don't love is I can't really see you doing these, so I hope that these are making sense to you. And actually what I would love is maybe when you turn in your worksheet, you can just write a little comment to me about how you're doing with this, if this is something that you're comfortable with, something that you feel like you want more practice with, or something that's really hard. If you guys can just jot me a little note in the comment section of that worksheet, and then Mrs. Broom, I'll know how long to spend on this. Maybe we'll spend the whole week just practicing adding 3-digit numbers, okay? I'll just see what you guys are thinking, okay? All right, let's do one more and then I will let you go. Here we go. 407 plus 496. I'm just going to add. I'm not going to write any columns or anything. 7 plus 6 is 13. The 3 down, regroup the 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. There's my 10. Regroup my 1. I should say the 0 and my 10s, regroup the 1. 4 and 4 is 8, and 1 more is 9. So my sum is 903. So Tigers, please go and try that worksheet, and remember just to give me a little note that says how you're doing with this, okay? All right, everybody, hope you're doing well, and we'll definitely do a Google Hangout soon, okay? Bye-bye.